and welcome. My name is Emma, and this is Speak Easy English. Today, I want to tell you a story, a simple story, about a morning at a coffee shop. This story will help you learn English. The words are easy, the sentences are short. So, just relax and listen. Let's begin. It is Saturday morning. The time is 10 o'clock. The weather is nice. The sun is out. I feel happy. I decide to go to a coffee shop. The name of the coffee shop is The Happy Cup. I walk to the coffee shop. It is not very far from my house, just 5 minutes on foot. I open the door and walk in. I can smell coffee. It smells so good. The coffee shop is small and cozy. Cozy. This means warm and comfortable. There are small tables and chairs. Some people are sitting and talking. Some people are reading books. One man is working on his laptop. A laptop. This is a small computer you can carry with you. I walk to the counter. The counter. This is where you go to order your food and drink. A young woman is standing there. She is the barista. A barista? This is the person who makes coffee. She smiles at me. She says, "Good morning. Welcome to the Happy Cup. What can I get for you today?" I look at the menu. The menu is on the wall. I see coffee, tea, juice, and cakes. Everything looks good. I say, "Good morning. Can I have a large coffee, please? With a little milk. Not too sweet." The barista says, "Of course. Would you like anything else? We have fresh muffins today." A muffin is a small, soft cake. I love muffins. I say, "Oh, that sounds great. Can I have one chocolate muffin, please?" The barista smiles and says, "Sure, that will be $4.50. I take out my wallet and pay. The barista says, "Thank you. Your name, please." I say, Emma." She says, "Perfect. We will call your name when your order is ready." I find a nice table near the window. The window seat is the best. I can see the street outside. People are walking. A dog is running. Children are playing. A few minutes later, the barista calls my name. "Emma, your order is ready." I walk to the counter and pick up my coffee and muffin. I say, "Thank you so much." She says, "You're welcome. Enjoy." I sit back down. I take a sip of my coffee. A sip. This means a very small drink. The coffee is hot, so I take small sips. The coffee tastes wonderful. The muffin is soft and sweet. I feel very happy. Outside the window, the sun is bright. The sky is blue. It is a perfect morning. I sit there for about 1 hour. I drink my coffee slowly. I eat my muffin. I watch the people outside. Then I look at my watch. It is already 11:30. Time to go home. I put on my jacket. I pick up my bag. I walk to the door. I turn and look at the coffee shop one more time. The warm light, the smell of coffee, the friendly people. I smile and walk out. What a lovely morning. Now, let's remember some words from today. Cozy, warm and comfortable. Barista, the person who makes your coffee. Counter, the place where you order. Muffin, a small soft cake. Sip, a very small drink. And some useful phrases. "Can I have, please?" This is how you order politely. "That sounds great." This means, "Yes, I like that." "You're welcome." You say this when someone says thank you. Now, your turn. Try to use one of these phrases today. Say it to a friend. Say it to your family. Or say it in the mirror. And tell me in the comments, what do you usually order at a coffee shop? I love reading your answers. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope this story helped you. Remember, learning English is not difficult. Just listen every day, repeat the words, and never stop practicing. I am Emma, and this was Speak Easy English. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.